Okay, so question here is 1 divided by 1 plus I root 3, all in brackets, to the power of 4. Now how are we going to work this out? Well, Euler's formula could be a good idea to start with here. So let's just rewrite this in a different manner. So if we write this as 1 plus I root 3 to the power of minus 4. Obviously this 4 is on the bottom, so it becomes a minus, so to minus 4. So how are we going to go on from there? So we know what the power is, and we know what we're trying to evaluate. So 1 plus I root 3, let's draw this on the graph. So 1 is going to be here somewhere, so that's 1. And then I root 3 is going to be up here somewhere, so square root of 3 is going to be up there. Okay, that's our imaginary, and this is our, actually we need to go quite as far as that, do we? Real is here. So what we're interested in now is the modulus of this and the argument of this. So what we need to work out is the length of this line and this angle here. So we've got this line here is 1 and this one here is root 3. So what we can do, we could do tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent root 3 over 1. So therefore theta is pi over 3. So that's our angle. Now we need to work out the length of this radius, r. So r equals square root the length of this and the length of this. So square root of 3 squared plus 1 squared. Square root of 3 squared is 3, plus 1 squared is 1. Square root of 4, r equals 2. So let's write this down now in Euler notation. So we can write this now as r, which is 2, cosine pi over 3, plus I sine pi over 3. And that's the power of minus 4. So now, if you check on my other videos on how to do all this, you'll see on the comments and the description down below. Distribute the minus 4 to the 2, so it's 2 to the power of minus 4. And then cosine. And now all these angles now, you multiply by minus 4. So it's cosine of minus 4 pi over 3 plus I sine. These angles are always the same. So we just don't need to work that out. We just know it's going to be minus 4 pi over 3. Now minus 4 pi over 3, which would bring us round, if we go clockwise, minus 4 pi over 3, that's going to take us somewhere over here. That's minus 4 pi over 3. But we also can see that this angle is also positive 2 pi over 3. So this one here is 2 pi over 3. So let's just work that out now for us here. So this equals 2 to the power of minus 4, so that's 1 over 2 to the power of 4, cosine 2 pi over 3 plus I sine 2 pi over 3. Okay, let's just plug in some values here for these and we'll work out what this is. So that equals 1 over 16. Cosine of, I'm not going to write cosine, we're going to work out what that actually is. So let's just take that out. Cosine of 2 pi over 3. Well, cosine of 2 pi over 3 is minus 1/2. And then plus I, and then sine of 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Okay, now it's just algebra. We just distribute the 1 over 16 with all these. That's going to give us our answer. 1 over 16 times minus 1/2, minus 1 over 32, plus I root 3 over 2. times 1 over 16. So that's plus root 3, and then 216, 32. And that gives us our answer.